Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Okay, so guys, we have two different openings today, one from Teradata and from Revecho. So Teradata opening is applicable for 2019, 20, 21st batches, and Revecho is applicable for 2021 and 22nd batch. Okay, so let's see in detail like what will be the eligibility criteria and everything in detail format. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So while you activate them, put it as all so that you will get every notification on every videos we upload, because these kind of hiring videos especially, you need to get to know that at the earliest. Okay, else you won't be able to get it to apply. Okay, so make sure you have subscription as well as the notification button enabled. Okay, so now let's move on to the opening available. So let's start with the Teradata itself. So Teradata is hiring for the associate software engineer. Location is Hyderabad, and it's a customer support kind of role. And you can see what, yes, education background. So this is the qualification criteria. So BE, BTech, MCA, MTech, PhD in computer science, information technology, electronics, and communication engineering. Okay, so this is the educational background. So what they want you to have is BE, BTech, MCA, MTech, PhD in computer science or IT or EC related. Okay, so computer science related batches, not circular branches alone. It's computer science and computer science related like batches. Okay, so this is it. And experience background will be minimum 0 to 3 years of experience in product support or sustaining of medium to large projects. So if you was there in product support team of any other companies with experience, then also you can try it here. And also if you have gone through in service companies like managing the projects related to that work, also you can try it here. Okay, and required skills will be strong experience in programming with C and data structures, RDBMS knowledge and SQL, excellent creative analytical problem solving and strong debugging skills, good verbal and written communication skills, ability to independently come up with algorithm solutions based on complexity and performance considerations, works well in a team environment, ability to work in a mission critical 24/7 environment. Okay, so this is a required criteria. So if you find like this is in you and if you're ready to perform this task, then you can apply it in here. And next we have the desired set of requirements here. So before moving on to that, we have 21 days of live coding crash course, especially for TCS CodeVita and TCS NQT. And this will help you to have a brief look at anything like TCS CodeVita, TCS NQT, TCS Ninja, then digital. Okay, so if you're very basic at coding, or if you want, or you're just an average, if you want to get a brief idea about coding, then we are there to help you. We have a class, and Ubasana ma'am will be helping you out with the classes, and she's a software developer engineer at Flipkart who can well guide you through your programming needs. Okay, and it's a live coding session or live crash course, so you will get to interact with her to share your concerns, so she'll help you with all the requirements that you need. And it's a 21 days long class, and it is about to start on 18th of November. So make your registrations at the earliest and start your classes. Prepare well before the exam. It's a very competitive. Exams will be very competitive, and there are lakhs of students applying for the same. So you need to stand out of them only by preparation. That's the only key you can do it. So make sure you prepare it by yourself, either using any of this resources, you can prepare it by yourself. Okay, so if you want the guidance, obviously we are there to help you. So here, this is the class, and if you purchase this course, then you will be having the access for this course for the 6 long months, every videos of the class, materials, everything. And the timing is from 7 to 8 p.m. in the evening, and the class is accessible both in mobile phone and PC. Okay, and the price of this course is just 200. For this 200, you are getting 21 days of live coding crash course with live doubt clearing sessions and a lot more materials, lot more mock question papers to perform. Okay, and if you are opening it in web, you can use this web.classplusapp.com through com, and ORG code will be KFQRN. After that, go to the store and check your course and buy them, and after that, enjoy, learn. Okay, so this is it. And if you want to know about the content details, description of syllabus and pattern, everything, you can just view them after you get the course done. And yes, that's it. Okay, so make sure so many of them bought this course as of now and they're ready to be a part of the class. So make sure you do the same and learn and do it. Okay, don't just let go the opportunities as it is. Make sure of every opportunities by maximum preparation. Okay, so now let's move on to the opening available. So here, desired qualification or desired requirements will be having a good knowledge of internals in operating system like Unix, Windows, etc. Experience with or knowledge of the design and construction of database engineer software, which should include SQL. Understanding and working with the complex parallel software or system programming is an added advantage. Okay, so these are the desired skills that they have mentioned as of now. And to apply for that, you can click on this apply button. So like previously, as I've mentioned, this is applicable for 19, 20 and 21st batches. 22 batch, why I'm not mentioning, since they haven't mentioned about years, but still why I'm not mentioning is like they will be looking forward who would be liking to join. Okay, so what I would suggest is these kind of openings wherein the batch is not mentioned, 2020 students, you can apply it and keep. If the requirements is strikes, then you make use of that application again. Okay, so in kind of this competitive examination kind of recruitment, you may have a problem like you might have not applied to this firm for 3 months, 6 months, but in some companies there is no such criteria. So there or there you can try applying multiple times. Okay, so I have already logged in. So if you have a like profile, you can log in and see what will be that, and if not, you can just log in and see. Okay, so this is a thing that you have to upload your resume, then your contact information, then every email ID, everything, under your highest qualification, then that institution, your current and most recent employer. If you are an employer, you can put that, else you can put it nil, I guess. Yeah, and yeah, you can put this nil. Then position also you can provide similarly. Social media profile, you can link them if required, and after that save the application. Okay, so this is about the opening available in Teradata. And coming to the CTC provided, so the average CT is 6 to 7 plus LPAs. Between that is what the average CTC provided. So if you have 0 years of experience, then accordingly, and since they have mentioned 0 to 3, then like between that you will be getting your CTC pack. Okay, so this is the details, and this is a very good opportunity to explore into IT sector. So obviously, whoever wish to try how to have a look at it, please do register at the earliest before the link get expired. Okay, so that's it, guys. And next, now let's move on to the Rivature India. So Rivature is hiring for the entry-level software engineers, and we can see here this is the eligibility criteria. Graduate from computer science or IT or circuital background in BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, and MSc. Okay, 2021 pass out and 2022 batch. The minimum 60% in PG or UG degree without arrears, minimum 60% in 10th and 12th board exams, good communication skills. Okay, so these they have very clearly mentioned everything. You must be belonging to BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, or MSc in computer science related or securital branches. Then 21st and 22nd passing out students can try applying here, and minimum 60% in UG or PG graduation, like whichever you are, is mandatory, and you should not have any arrears. Then 60% throughout your schooling. Okay, 10, 12, whatever. Now, good communication skill is required by them. And next will be like the things. Okay, that is 4 to 6 lakhs CTC per annum is what they provide according to the designation that you get in. I mean, according to the branch or the technology that you'll be handling in under this designation. Then opportunity to work in product development or service integrations, internship or Rivature readiness program. Stipend during internship will be 5,000 per month. So internship is there, so during that 5,000, and this is the salary package for if you are full-time employee. And now, how do we hire? First, there are 3 selection process for them. One is for the online assessment, next one-on-one technical screening, then finally the HR interview. So online assessment, it will be logical reasoning, algorithmic, technical, and coding questions will be there. And one-on-one technical screening, like it will be proper interview kind of thing, and you will be facing interview like technical questions. It's a technical round, technical interview, and after that HR discussion will be there. Finally you'll be getting selected. Okay, so this is it, and when you apply it, you will soon receive a mail from them regarding the online assessment. This is how they perform. So this is it, and to apply for that you can just fill the form which is seen here and upload your resume according to the criteria they have mentioned. It should be either in docs, PDF, text, or RFT file, which is less than 5 MB. And after that, upload and submit it. Okay, so this is about the Revature India, the opening available. So the multiple options are multiple openings availability in here. So you can try applying to this at the earliest, and okay, and wait for the response. Okay, so they used to respond regarding the online assessment and everything, and once you attend, okay, you need to do it. So soon after you apply, just make sure you try preparing for that. So anything like reasoning, algorithmic, what kind of help, there are so much videos available for the same playlist kind. If you just check in the playlist, you will get to know. And if you need any further assistance, you can reach out to our application. There are immense courses out there which will help you in many ways, which is applicable for any company cracking sessions. Okay, so just find you where you're weak and try to learn things on that specific portion, either using any of the resource. Okay, we want you to learn, that is at your convenience, you can learn it anywhere. Okay, so that's all for today. So if you have any of the further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.